Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to watch TikToks without captions. It's aimed for Android and iOS. First, open your TikTok account. If you're on TikTok and you want to watch this video without the caption, the only way to do it is to download the video itself outside and then watch it, outside of the app. So to do that, what we do is click on send button. Then go to save video. And tap on three dots. Click on save video. Then saving into my account, so I can go out of that and I can go to my camera. Click on the camera or photos. You can see the video without any of the app or any of the captions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.